At Healthy Working Wales, we know that creating healthier workplaces leads to happier, more productive teams. To support businesses with this, our peer mentoring programme connects employers across Wales to share real-world experience, practical knowledge and proven approaches to workplace well-being. Employers are connected based on a range of factors, such as industry, need or location. With support and guidance from Healthy Working Wales, expectations are clear and relationships are built to succeed. Regular check-ins, progress reviews and expert guidance ensure mentoring is effective, helping businesses put well-being at the heart of their workplace. Whether you're looking to grow in a specific health and well-being area or ready to share your experience to support others, join the peer mentoring programme today with Healthy Working Wales.